Right, team, it's up. The tactical momentum intermediate term investments. What are these? Remember, these are the ones where I think there's a feasible 40% return in under 6 months. Stop loss would be 20, so you've got a reward to risk of 2 to 1. You've got a 6 months, so it's intermediate term, clues in the title. And we're looking at higher momentum. Ideally, if the fundamentals are strong, so be it, but fundamentals operate less in the short term than they do over the longer term, as Warren Buffett will tell you. So where does that leave us? Well, it's all up. If you're in the Great Investments Program, it's up there. Remember, it's for information. It's not solicitation. I'll give you an example of what's up there on this. We're looking at that rising. We're looking at 6 months or 40% with a 20% from entry stop loss. Okay. One of those three things will happen. Either the 40 gets hit, or 6 months are up, or the stop gets hit. That's it. Now you might say, well, what if this? What if when it gets to 40? What if I want to change my mind? What if that? What if? We can worry about that when we get to it. For the moment, it's that. There's a whole bunch more which are on the Great Investments Program, the private Telegram channel. I think I've got about 30 for you there. The goal, well, the magic 40% number, as ever. Thank you very much. Hopefully more, as you can see, with some high risk, educational purposes only. Do like and follow for more, and do check out the Great Investments Program on those tactical momentum intermediate term investments and much more.